How to boost your computer's speed and security. Click on Start. Next, click on Settings icon. Click on Privacy and Security. Move down and click on Diagnostics and Feedback option. Here you need to turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Again, turn off Tailored Experiences to avoid Microsoft from taking data from you. And there you have it. That's how you can boost your computer's speed and security. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.